Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today is so fun. There are so many freebies on the Ibotta app, and I can't wait to tell you about all the deals I grabbed this week. I was able to get over $80 worth of products, not only for free, but I made $7 buying it all. So if you've watched my videos before, you know I'm gonna walk you through step by step exactly how I did that. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So glad that you are here. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button and let me help you save money each week. Now, if you have not had a chance to check out my Walgreens video that I posted on Sunday, you definitely want to do that. Not only are there fantastic deals over at Walgreens, but I am doing a $25 gift card giveaway, and you want to get yourself entered before this coming Saturday because the winner will be announced on Sunday. We are going to jump straight into these deals, you guys. If you remember from last year, Ibotta did a free Thanksgiving meal, which was so amazing at such a rough time for so many families. And they are in fact doing that again this year. It is just a little bit different. There are a number of different freebies in the Ibotta app. However, there is one change. If you are a current Ibotta user, you might not see the free turkey offer in your account. If you refer a friend and that friend signs up and does some deals themselves, you should see that $15 credit toward a turkey pop up in your account, and that's what happened for me. If you are brand new to Ibotta, it is a fantastic time to join because when you use my link, you'll get $10 extra, as well as all of these freebies, including a free turkey up to $15. Holy cow, such a great offer. So let me walk you through the Thanksgiving deals that I did first, and then I'll walk you through the rest of the deals. So one of the freebies is a 2-liter Coke. They're priced at $1.98, and you would get $1.98 back on Ibotta, and that makes it completely free. Of course, if you are new, you can use my referral code, or I will drop a link down in the video description box below for you to join there. That way you get your extra $10 as well. Now, I also grabbed this big turkey, which I'm not gonna pick up because it's 13 pounds. So that turkey was $12.69 because they're like 98 cents a pound, I believe. And I got $15 back on Ibotta, making it free and a $2.31 moneymaker on a whole turkey. There are some specifications. It has to be a specific brand. It has to be at least 3 pounds. I'm trying to remember the other specifics that were in there. Just read the offer because it tells you everything you need to know. The other freebie, these Idahoan potatoes, they're $1.98, or $1.88, getting $1.88 back on Ibotta, making it completely free. Now, I can tell you I have never eaten potatoes out of a bag. So that will be a donation item for me, and that's another thing about these offers. It is an absolutely amazing opportunity to be able to grab some items completely free and be able to donate it to a family in need. So if you don't need these products or you don't want these products, still consider grabbing them and donating them to a local food pantry or your local food bank, because I know that there are families out there that could really benefit from some free food this holiday season. I also grabbed the Great Value cornbread stuffing. This was super hard to find. A lot of the items were gone. This is priced at 82 cents. Ibotta gave me 82 cents back, making it completely free. I also grabbed the Jiffy. So this one was a little bit of a moneymaker. The corn muffin mix, it was priced at 52 cents, but Ibotta is giving 67 cents back. So for me, this was a 15-cent moneymaker. That kind of offset this next one because the gravy, even though the offer says free after rebate, for me, this gravy was $1.23, and Ibotta is only giving $1.12 back, so it makes it 11 cents for this packet of gravy. The other one that said was free after offer, but my store was a little bit more expensive, was on the Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. My store had these at $1.48. Ibotta is giving 98 cents back, making this just 50 cents. And then I also grabbed the frozen veggies. So the Bird's Eye frozen veggies, they are $1. Ibotta's giving $1 back, making this completely free. And that one I will definitely use. There were other freebies that I wasn't able to find. There were the crispy onion things. I'll pop the offer up here on the screen. That was a freebie. There was the Great Value cranberry sauce. That was a freebie. I couldn't find that one at my store either. I feel like maybe there was one more that I'm not remembering off the top of my head. If so, I'll pop it up here on the screen so that you can look for it at your store as well. But those were the Thanksgiving offers. So thank you, Ibotta, for that. I know there are so many families that appreciate you making that offer available. And to Walmart, because I believe Ibotta and Walmart are partners in that. So that's pretty awesome. Okay. Other food deals that I did, not a part of the Thanksgiving offer, I grabbed the Purdue chicken again because this ground chicken is $3.47, and Ibotta gave me 2 different rebates back on $1.25 each. So that's $2.50 back, making this just 97 cents. And I was reading an article the other day that, food prices increased quite a bit in 2020. Again, in 2021, the highest category of food increases were in the area of meat specifically. So if you can snag yourself some cheap meat now, and you're a meat eater, now is a great time. That was a limit of 5, so I could have done that 5 times. I only grabbed 1 of them, but if that's something that you eat a lot or you want to freeze it, you could grab up to 5 of those. Okay, I also got the turtles again this week. These are priced at $1. Found them up by the register. Ibotta's giving 75 cents back on this, making these turtles just 25 cents. I might add that on Halloween, I had some pretty excited trick-or-treaters to get some full-size candy at my house. And it's all, couponing candy that I've gotten over the last couple of months. So that was really fun to see some happy trick-or-treaters at the house. Another Ibotta deal that also works with Fetch Rewards. So these Evolve shakes. These are priced at $7.84 each. Now you want to grab 2 of them because Ibotta has an offer for $7.98 back on 2. It's a buy one, get one free deal. But my Fetch Rewards app had an offer for $2.25 back on each of them. So I got $4.50 back on Fetch Rewards, making both of these just $3.20 or $1.60 each. So that's a great price for a 4-pack if this is a product that you are interested in. It's a plant-based protein drink. Now, if you're not using Fetch Rewards yet, grab it using my referral code because you're going to get an additional $2 back when you scan your first receipt. And I do have a full tutorial on Fetch Rewards if you'd like to check that out. I can put that in the video description box below. All right, was that all the Ibotta offers? Nope, the Barnana. So Barnana, however you want to say it. These plantain chips, $2.98 each. You want to grab 2 of them. That makes it $5.96 for both. Now, Ibotta had an offer for $4 back, and Aisle had an offer for $1 back on each, so $2 back on Aisle, making these free and a 4-cent moneymaker. Now, let's talk about Aisle for a minute. I will drop my referral link down for you in the video description box. Aisle is text-based. It is not an app. So someone messaged me and they're like, hey, I clicked on your referral link and someone started texting me. That's what's supposed to happen. That's how this app works. They asked me a few questions initially, and then that's where I text my receipts, and then they deposit the money into my Venmo account. So I've been super happy with the rebates I've been able to find there. Last food deal that I did was on Swag Bucks. So if you are new to Swag Bucks, I do have a complete tutorial on how to use Swag Bucks. Again, I'll link it for you in the video description box. But I grabbed these Cheetos mac and cheese. They're priced at 96 cents each. So buying 2 of them makes it $1.92. But Swag Bucks is giving $1.50 back when you purchase 2 of them, making them both 42 cents or just 21 cents each. Now, non-food items. We'll start with some of the Ibotta's. So Poise pads. These poise pads are $4.84 each. There is a $5 off 2 coupon that you can use for this, and I will link it for you in the printable document. You will pay $4.68 for both of them using that coupon, but then you're going to get back $4 on Ibotta. And check your Fetch Rewards app, because my Fetch Rewards app had an offer for $2 back. So I got $2 back there, making these both free and a $1.32 moneymaker. Now, I also grabbed this CoverGirl eyeliner. It's priced at $4.44. There is a $3 coupon in the October 24th Smart Source. I hit the jackpot last night because I did not have that coupon with me, and there were coupons just laying by these products. So someone, I guess, realized they had more coupons than they were going to use, and they left them for someone else. So I grabbed one of the coupons, I grabbed one of the products. So I paid $1.44 at the register, got $2 back on Ibotta, making this free and a 56-cent moneymaker. And I also grabbed these body washes again. If you remember last week, I said I was able to find the apple cider vinegar body wash on clearance for $2.25. Now, I found this rose water one this week for $3.14. So I purchased 2 of them because there is a Swag Bucks offer for $8 back. So I grabbed one of the rose water, one of the apple cider vinegar, making this free and a $2.61 moneymaker. And if my memory serves me correctly, I want to say the Swag Bucks offer said you could do that twice per month. But it does say right there in the offer, so just double check the offer and see how many times you're able to do that if you can find these body washes on clearance at your store. In that section, I was also able to find the Alba products. There were a lot of Alba products on clearance. So if that's a brand that you love, check it out, because I saw body wash and lotion on clearance at my store. Now, the last deal that I did was a bundle deal on Shopkick. Now, if you're not using Shopkick, of course I have a referral code for you, as well as a full tutorial that walks you through how to use it. But I grabbed all 3 of these products for free. So I grabbed the Noxzema at my store price at $3.57. I grabbed the St. Ives face scrub at $3.48. And then I grabbed this little Pond's cream for $1.47 over in the travel section. So I got 30 kicks for each of those for scanning them. And then I got back the bundle deal. So altogether it was 2,215 kicks back, which is $8.86. So that made all 3 items free and a 34-cent moneymaker. Now, on top of that, I hit my midweek harvest bonus for $5 back for doing so many Ibotta offers, which made everything completely free and just at a $7 moneymaker for all of these items, and so many items that I get to donate. So super great week at Walmart. If you have any questions on any of this, please let me know down in the comment section below. I am happy to help you guys out. Thanks.